Hi, beautiful. I'm Cassidy. I'm so happy that you're here taking time to stretch with me. Stretching is so good for the body. It helps to relieve your aches and pains. It helps to increase your range of motion, revitalize your energy, de-stress and decompress. Oh, it feels so good. In my 20 plus years of teaching Pilates, these are some of my favorite neck stretches. This is ideal for beginners. Let's get to it. You're gonna start with your feet about as wide as your pelvis, and you're gonna clasp your hands behind your back. If this is uncomfortable for you, you can use a towel. It'll look like this. With your hands behind your back, you're gonna slowly tilt your ear toward your shoulder, and you're gonna feel that stretch on the side of your neck. Check to see that you feel really anchored through your feet and that your knees are soft. Breathing into the stretch, feeling that all along the side and front of the neck here. Check to see that you're not clenching your teeth. You want to see if you can hold this stretch for at least 15 seconds. And then coming back to home base, switching sides. When you go to tilt your head to the side, check to make sure that you're not lifting your shoulders as you do it. You want to keep your shoulders away from your ears. It's possible that you may feel the stretch in different places on each side. That's common, that's fine. You don't want to feel any numbing, burning, or tingling sensations. If you do, you want to come out of the stretch. You don't want to aggravate any of your nerves. And when you're ready, coming out of it. And that's it. It's very simple. Nicely done. From there, you're going to go into a rotation stretch. So again, hands are clasped behind the back or with a towel. And now you're going to turn your head, look in one direction. And now you may feel the stretch more along the front of the neck here. Again, keeping your shoulders away from your ears, breathing into the stretch. This may or may not feel as tight as the last stretch. That's fine. See if you can be here for at least 15 seconds. And then switching sides when you're ready. You may notice that one side feels tighter than the other. That's common. If that's the case for you, you do want to stretch again for your tighter side. You can hold the stretch for up to 30 seconds if you want. And that's it. Coming back to home base. Nice. Next, we're going to go into a protraction stretch. So just standing comfortably with your feet really anchored on the mat, hands relaxed at your sides. You're going to extend your chin out forward, protracting your neck. And you're going to feel the stretch all along the front and side of the neck here if you're tight. Be careful not to start slumping as you're doing it. You do want to try to stay upright, keeping your chest a little bit lifted. And also be aware if you're dropping your chin. You do want to keep your chin level. It does feel kind of awkward, but it's a good stretch. It shouldn't be neglected. And then coming back to home base. And that's it. It's very simple, and you can repeat that several times. From there, you go into a simple flexion stretch. So just letting your head naturally release down. You don't want to force it and add any additional strain. The gravity of your head is enough for the stretch. You're going to feel this all along the back of your neck. Just remembering to breathe, keep your jaw soft, keep your feet really anchored on the mat, and your knees a little soft. You want to try to be in the stretch for at least 15 seconds. You can be here for up to 30 seconds if you'd like. If you need it, that's fine. Do what feels right and safe for you. And that's it. It's very simple. Nicely done. Next, we have the extension stretch. So you're going to tilt your head back, look all the way up to the ceiling as far as you can. You're going to feel that stretch all along the front of the neck. It should feel good. It should feel like a good stretch. If you want to increase the stretch, you can open and close your mouth, which will really focus on the scalenes here in the front of your neck. Yes, you're kind of like a fish, but it's a great stretch. You can can really feel it. Yeah, and that's it. Nice and simple. It feels so good. All right, next we're gonna go into a crossover shoulder stretch. So you're gonna take your arms, you're gonna cross them over, bend your knees, and place your hands behind the knees. And then let your neck, your head fully release. From there, you wanna gently pull the upper body toward the ceiling until you feel the stretch in your upper back around the shoulders. Once you feel that stretch, you're just gonna hang out there, breathing. You do want to engage in your belly. You want to feel navel to spine with each exhale. Feeling that stretch going across the shoulders, the upper back. And then once you feel like you've gotten a good stretch for that side, you want to actually switch. So you're going to switch the hands, wrap them around the back of the knees, pull the upper body toward the ceiling until you feel that stretch in the upper back around the shoulders. Try to remember to keep your jaw relaxed, your neck fully released, pulling navel to spine on your exhale, and then coming out of it when you're ready, letting the arms release, slowly coming up so you don't get the dizzies. Oh, that's a good stretch. I love that one. And that's it. Those are the stretches. Nice and easy, right? I'm so happy that you did that with me. Give yourself some props. You did good today. If you have any questions about these stretches or you're looking for some modifications, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. So FYI, this is part 1 of 5. You can access part 2 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It'll be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.